Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. In this video we are going to learn functions and its type. First of all, we have to learn what is function. Let A and B, any two sets and relation, be a binary relation from A to B, then R is called a function if. We can say any relation a function if the relation fulfills the following condition. The first condition is domain of relation is equals to set A, and the second condition is every element of A is associated with exactly one element of B under relation. For example, set A is a set of number 1, 2, 3 and set B is a set of number 5, 6, 7. To find the function, first we have to find the Cartesian product, then we will find the relation from the Cartesian product, and then we will see that the relation is a function or not. So first I have found all the Cartesian product of set A to B, as you can see. Then the relation, I have written the element 1, 5, 2, 6 and 3, 7 in the relation. Let's see if the relation is a function or not. According to the first condition, domain R is equals to A. Let's see the domain. The domain is the first element of the order pair. So here we have 1, 2 and 3. And if we see the element of set A, the element of set A are also 1, 2 and 3. So the first condition is fulfilled. Let's see the second condition. Every element of A is associated with exactly one element of B. As you can see that every element is associated with the element of B, as 1 is associated with 5, 2 is associated with 6 and 3 is associated with 7. So the second condition is also fulfilled. So relation is a function of A to B. Now we have another example. I have written the Cartesian product of the previous example. Then I have written the relation R1. In this I have taken 1, 7, 2, 5 and 2, 7. Let's see that if this relation is a function or not. According to the first condition, the domain is equals to A and we have domain 1 and 2. So the first condition is not fulfilled. So obviously this relation is not a function, because to be a function, relation has to fulfill both conditions. So R1 is not a function of A to B. I hope you have understood the function. Now let's move on to learn its okay. The thing which you have to remember is every function is a relation, but every relation is not a function. I hope you all have understood. Let's learn the types of the function. We will discuss 3 types in this video, and we have 3 types: one on-to function, one-to-one function, one-to-one and on-to function. Let's learn the first one, which is on-to function. A function from A to B is called an on-to function if the range of function is equals to B. For example, we have a set. Set A is a set of alphabets A, B, C, and B is a set of alphabets C and D. To find the function, first we have to find the Cartesian product, then the relation. So I found the Cartesian product and relation. In the relation, I have taken the element AC, BC and CD. So this is the function because the domain of the relation is equals to set A. As you can see, A, B, C. So this is the function, and every element of A is associated with B, as you can see. Now we will see if it is an onto function, and For onto, the range of function is equals to B, and the range is C, C and D. Exactly, the range is equals to B, C and D. You can also represent this relation as Venn diagram. This is the element of set A, this is the element of set B, and according to the relation, C is associated with A, C is associated with B, and D is associated with C. R is an onto function because range is equals to B. This is called the image, and this is called the pre-image. Image C is associated, image C of set B is associated with A and B of set A, pre-image of set A and B. Now we have one-to-one function, second type. A one-to-one function, a function from A to B is called an one-to-one function if the distinct element of A are associated with distinct element of B. For example, we have a set A 4, 5, 6 and set B 7, 8, 9. First I found their Cartesian product and then the relation. In relation I found 4, 8, 5, 7 and 6, 9. We have a Venn diagram of the relation. As you can see that element of set A, the 4 is associated with 8, 5 is associated with 7 and 6 is associated with 9. The element of set A is associated with the element of set B. So R is an one-to-one function. Image 7, 8 and 9 is associated with pre-image 5, 4 and 6 respectively. And no image is associated with two or more pre-images. As you can see in the Venn diagram, no image is associated with one or two pre-image. Every image associated with only one pre-image of set A. That's why this is called one-to-one function. Then we have one-to-one and onto function. A function from A to B is called an one-to-one and onto function if it is both one and one-to-one and onto function. For example, we have a set A, ABC and set B, XYZ. So the Cartesian product of the set are as follows, and the relation is AX, BY and CZ. One-to-one and onto function means we have to see the both types of function. So according to one-to-one function, the distinct element of set A is associated with the distinct element of set B. As you can see, A is associated with X, B is associated with Y and C is associated with Z. And for onto function, the range of the set relation is equals to set B. So the range is X, Y and Z. And as you can see, the set B, X, Y and Z. And if we represent this relation as Venn diagram, so we have X is associated with A, Y is associated with B and Z is associated with C. So R is in one-to-one and onto function. Image A, X, Y and Z associated with pre-image A, B, C respectively. I hope you all have understood. Jazakallah.